We're going to do a vlog. Thank you. We're going to
hold my hand.
Welcome back to our channel, the Mwesigwas, doing life together. My name is Rachel. Her name is Zanel, and we are very, very excited. We're supposed to be at church right now. It is about 12:50. We're supposed to be at church at 12:30. So we are really running late. But yeah, better late than never, right? So I'm going to pack my bag. This is where I put my laptop. I carry my laptop here. A friend of mine gave me this. She attended a friend's introduction, and this is what they gave them as, what do they call those things? Party favors. Party favors. Yes. So I'm going to put my stuff in here. Nunu is going to give me. So give me, Nunu. These are my 2 notebooks. I use this for scripture and everything. Then I use this for any other business. Yeah? I like to write.
That's yours?
Yes, that's mine. Okay. Then I have my
pens.
My pens. They're like highlighters. I use them to highlight in the Bible. I use them to write in my scripture book. Yeah, to make it interesting and attractive. I have my charger head. Where is my charger for this?
For that one, for that,
yes,
that's in your phone.
This for my phone?
Yeah.
My wallet over here. I don't go with a handbag. My lip gloss. I don't go with a handbag because I can't carry 2 bags at a go. My Bible.
For fighting.
Bible for reading.
For reading.
Yes.
That's for putting baby shark, mommy.
My laptop. I have a putting baby shark. No baby shark, Nunu.
Okay, mommy.
Okay, Nunu. Yeah, my laptop and my laptop charger.
Mommy, laptop charger.
Yeah, are we ready to go, Nunu?
Yeah.
Are we ready to go?
Yes.
Let's see how you are dressed. Nunu is putting on a pink dress and cute glittery shoes.
That's it.
And then I'm putting on this dress. If you follow me on Instagram, this is like my uniform. This dress is my uniform. I've been putting it on.
It's nice, mommy.
Yes?
That looks nice.
It looks nice.
Yes.
Yeah. So we're going to bring you along. Nunu was supposed to go to school today, but she did not. She's been having a temperature the past two days. So I decided let her remain home. I monitor her, and then yeah, she'll go on Monday, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so we're going to spend the day together, and then at 4 we'll go and pick who?
Zoe and Zane.
We'll go pick Zoe and Zane from school. Yeah. So see you later.
But Papa takes Zoe and Zane.
Yeah, Papa took Zoe and Zane to school.
I to pick Zoe and Zane.
And us are going to pick Zoe and Zane. Yes, high five. Brilliant.
And pick.
You know,
of recent, there's so much I have to bring that.
I recently got a flat tire, so I have brought my tire to be worked on. Jabale, togenda kunseera.
Nasijja kuseera.
Onda kunzijjako meka? Eh? Nunu, you're placing yourself with my things. Who gave you? Huh? This girl got my Mentos and is pleasing herself. What are you saying? It's still there. I've been craving sugar cane, so chimwacho chabbiri kuno kiseera ndibuzire kwata washanga ndi kubininye ekikiijo kwata sente. Hold my hand. That's what you want.
But it's too hard. That's anyone Let's see that for me. Let's see that for me.
Yeah.
Shout out to President Museveni of Uganda. How we all this man's politics.
Hiya. That's enough tire? Yeah.
Hiya, Mikey.
Hiya, my queen. Oh God, Nunu. Hiya, my what? I can't hear you. My what?
Hiya, Mikey.
Hiya, you shout. Hiya, my what?
Mama.